Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to exit from Netflix for kids. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to exit from Netflix for kid, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, you can see all of your profiles including the kid profile. Just simply tap into this pencil icon and just simply select the profile which you want to exit from Netflix for kids. Just simply select the profile and this maturity rating option will appear at the top. Just simply tap into that option and then go to account setting by tapping into this account settings option. And then it will lead you to the web browser that you are using and you have to enter your Netflix password into this box. And after entering the password, just simply click to continue. And then this profile will appear. Now you just simply have to scroll down to bottom and you will see this kids profile option. Now you just simply have to remove this blue tick by checking the box and then your restriction of kid profile will be removed. Just simply click to save button and the changes will be saved into your Netflix account. By following this very easy steps, you can easily exit from the Netflix from kids into your Netflix profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.